Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. Today we are going to learn seating arrangement and in front of you there are a few questions of seating arrangement and these questions are from CA Foundation study material, but you can clearly see that it is written that questions are taken from previous exam questions paper of SSC, RRB, MAT, UPSC, etc. So it is suitable for all aspirants and hereby we start another lecture of our reasoning. So the first question is five boys A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. A is to the right of B. Okay, five boys sitting in a row. We have to start like this. One, two, three, four, five. A is to the right of B, but we can't go like this. So A is to the right of B. We just place A and B. A is to the right of B. B here, and to the right of B, A is here. A is to the right of B, and E is to the left of B. E is to the left of B, okay, but to the right of C. E is to the right of C, okay. A is to the left of D. A is to the left of D. All five are placed, so we have no confusion. Who is second from the left end? Who is second from the left end? E, okay. There are five different houses A to E in a row. A is to the right of B and E is to the left of C. A is to the right of B and E is to the left of C, okay, and right of A. E is to the right of A and left of C, okay. B is to the right of D. All five are placed. So which of the houses is in the middle? A. Okay. Five friends P, Q, R, S, T are sitting in a row facing north. Facing north means normal situation. Here S is in between T and Q. Okay. And Q is to the immediate left of R. Q is to the immediate left of R and S is between T and Q. So S is here. Ah. P is to the immediate left of T. Done. All five are placed. Who is in the middle? Who is in the middle? S is in the middle. Okay. Now, six children A, B, C, D, E, F are standing in a row. B is between F and D. B is between F and D. B is between F and D means two cases are there. Okay. E is between A and C. E is between A and C. A does not stand next to A does not stand next to F or D. Okay. E is between A and C. E is between A and C. That means any two of these cases and any two of these cases. Okay. A does not stand next to F or D. A does not stand next to F or D. That means if these two are connected, then A is not going to connect with these. Okay. So either the situation is like A, E, C, F, B, D, or A, E, C, D, B, F, or F, B, D, C, E, A, or D, B, F, C, E, A. Any one of these cases. Okay. A does not stand next to F or D. C does not stand next to D. C does not stand next to D. That means this one is eliminated. This one is also eliminated. F is between which of the following pairs of children? Let me revise all the given conditions. Six children A, B, C, D, E, F are standing in a row. B is between F and D. In both these remaining cases, B is between F and D. Okay. E is between A and C. E is between A and C. Perfect. Uh, A does not stand next to F or D. A does not stand next to F or D. Uh, Thereafter, C does not stand next to D. C does not stand next to D. Correct. F is between which of the, okay. That means any two of these will be correct arrangement. We don't need to rush to the exact arrangement. We have our answer to the question. Let us take a look at the question. F is between which of the pairs of the children? F is between C and B according to this. F is between C and B according to this also. So in both cases we get the same answer. So this question is answerable, B and C. Okay, there are 8 books kept one over the other. 2 books are on organization behavior, 2 books on TQM. Okay, OB, 2 books, TQM, 2 books, 3 books on industrial relations. One is on economics. One is on economics. Counting from the top, the second, fifth, and sixth books are on IR. Okay. The total number of books is 4 and 3, 7 and 1, 8. Okay. Let us make some space. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counting from the top, second, fifth, and sixth books are on IR. Okay. Second, fifth, and sixth books are on IR, industrial relations. 2 books on IR are between 2 books on TQM. Okay. One book of IR is between 2 books on OB. Okay. The book above the book of economics is a book of TQM. Clearly. Okay. So the arrangement is here. Which book is the last book from the top? Economics. Done. Now next. 5 boys are standing in a row facing east. Facing east. Let me tell you something about directions. North, south, east, west. When they say facing east, that means this direction. So boys are standing like this. Okay, you have to make arrangement like this. Okay, not this, but this. Clear? That's how they can face east. They are facing this direction, so they are standing in this row like this. Okay. Uh, Pavan, Tavan, Vipin, Chavan, and Nakul. Okay, PTVCN. Pavan is left of Tavan. Okay. Left means if they are facing in this direction, left means this direction, and right means this direction. Okay. Pavan is left of Tavan. Vipin and Chavan to the left of Nakul. Vipin and Chavan to the left of Nakul. Okay. Chavan is between Tavan and Vipin. Okay. It can be like this or this also. Vipin is fourth from the left. This is the left side. So Vipin is fourth from the left. This one is correct. So the last one will be Nakul because obviously Vipin and Chavan are to the left of Nakul. Pavan is to the left of Tavan. All these conditions are fulfilled and Vipin is fourth from the left. Then how far is Tavan to the right? Tavan is second to the right. Not from the right, to the right. So Tavan is second to the right. Six persons, M, N, O, P, Q, R are sitting in two row with three persons in each row. Okay. Both the rows are in front of each other. Q is not sitting at the end of any row. That means Q is either here or here. P is second to the left of R. That means P and Q are in the same row on the edges. Okay. O is the neighbor of Q and diagonally opposite to P. Okay. N is the neighbor of R. Who is in front of N? Q. Six persons A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in two row, three in each row. Okay. E is not at the end of any row. Okay. D is second to the left of F. D is second to the left of F. Uh, okay. C the neighbor of E. Sitting diagonally opposite. Sitting diagonally opposite. Nothing is mentioned here, so this question is incomplete. So we are not going to solve this question. This question is incomplete. Okay. 5 boys A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. We will, for the sake of simplicity, we will treat them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A5 is above A1. That means 5 is above 1. A4 is under A2. 2 is above 4. A2 is under A1. So this goes like this. Okay. Mm, okay. A4 is between A2 and A3. So 3 comes here. 5, 1, 2, 4, 3 is the arrangement. 5, 1, 2, 4, 3. Let us revise the given conditions. A5 is above A1. A4 is under A2. A2 is under A1. A4 is between A2 and A3. First class. Who is at the lowest position of the stair? 3. A3. 5 children are sitting in a row. S is sitting next to P but not T. S is sitting next to P. That means he's sitting beside P. PS or SP but not T. K is sitting next to R, who is sitting on the extreme left. R is sitting on the extreme left, K is sitting next to him. And T is not sitting next to K. T is not sitting next to K. Mm, okay. So on the remaining three places, we have to place S and P together and T is not sitting next to K. That means T is here. So PS or SP will be placed here. But S is sitting next to P but not T. So S cannot be next to T. So PS can't be placed here, SP. RKSPT, who is or are adjacent to S, K and P. Okay. Five senior citizens are living in a multi-storied building. Mr. Mohan lives in a flat above Mr. Ashokan. MALGR. There are five people we can name like MALGR. Mr. M lives in a flat above Mr. A. Okay. M is above A. L is below G. A lives below G. Okay. A also lives below G. Rakesh lives in a flat below Mr. Lokesh. Okay. M lives above A. L lives below G. A also lives below G. Okay. That means M and G are above A, and below G there are L and thereafter R. A can be anywhere. Who lives in the topmost flat? So G or M both are possible. Multi-story building. Mr. Man lives in a flat above Mr. Ashokan. Mr. Lokesh in a flat below Mr. Gaurav. Both satisfied. Ashokan lives in a flat below Mr. Gaurav again, and Mr. Rakesh lives in a flat below Mr. Lokesh. But it cannot be determined because any of these two can be in the topmost flat. Okay, so this question had some problem, so we are not doing this also. In a gathering, seven members. Yes, I must tell you at first that all these materials and question banks of various exams, these have many printing errors. So be used to this, that there may be incorrect options or misprints in the material. So be prepared for that. Don't get disappointed if you get wrong answers or something like that. You can ask your doubts on 8294600829 over WhatsApp, not on call, over WhatsApp. 8294600829. We are doing one more question now. In a gathering, seven members are sitting in a row. C is sitting left to B, but on the right to D. A is sitting right to B. F is sitting right to E, but left to D. Okay. Okay. H is sitting left to E. H, E, F, D, C, B, A. Find the person sitting in the middle. D. Okay. This is how it is done. We'll do another session of seating arrangement, and in that lecture we will be discussing some a bit difficult problems of this chapter. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any feedback, you can give that on 8294600829 on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Good night. Bye bye. Take care.